Good afternoon, this is Andrew with Extreme Exteriors. We're on the property of Troy Powell, address 6239 Southeast Oak Ridge Lane in Holt, Missouri, 64048. Claim number 060170326. Today is October 30th. It's roughly about 60 degrees up here. It's a little windy, so anyways, we're going to be doing an attempted repair, showing that this roof is not repairable due to its age and condition. We've got to obviously replace valleys here and some of the other accessories here. So we're going to be delicately lifting up this shingle here, showing that the shingles above it will not pass repairability. So I'm going to be lifting up 2 courses above the one that we've got to remove in order to get to this valley here. So we'll show you how that goes. I've been in the industry for about 21 years now. I am a licensed independent adjuster, holds a current license. So just a little background about how this is going to play out. We do know the proper standards of doing an attempted repair, or an ATR. So we'll go from there. Thank you. Sealed down pretty good. Shingle is already tearing, as you can see right here. We're just trying to break the tab, seal, so that we can get enough to get the fasteners out of the valley.
Shingles tearing all along.
Yeah, it's not wanting to break. Here you can see the shingle's already torn. We're getting crazy mat transfer as well. Can't get none of these shingles to break without tearing the laminate. Third one, because we got to remove it too. There's no way to manipulate the shingles without them tearing, so we're going to go ahead and stop this right now, and we'll get some better detailed pictures. Brad, you want to hand me that camera? It's torn here, lifting the shingle. It's torn here. It's torn here. It's starting to get some significant granule loss here. And we barely have even separated the seal on this, and it's already showing delaminating of the top laminate there. If I can lift up here, you'll see the mat transfer plain as day. So this roof is going to be non-repairable in order for us to replace all the accessories, valley metals, and so forth. Thank you.